step-by-step plan. Let's take a look at a step-by-step plan. This learner has continued to use the same watercolour wash for the background of their page. Again, this helps to create a sense of consistency. They've added the title of the page, Step-by-Step Plan. Choose whether to handwrite or type your written work. It's a good idea to stick to one way or the other. This learner has then considered the process of making the final piece and has listed tasks in order they will need to complete them. Starting with preparing their paper, they've considered how they will prepare the edge of their paper. They have then stated that they will gather materials and have been very specific with exactly what they will need. They go on to explain how they will start the piece, using watercolour wash to loosely draw out the compositions. They go on to explain how they will add more detail and colour, starting with the driest piece and working through. They go into more detail about how they intend on adding light and aura details to the dry paintings later on. And then how they will remove the masking tape at the end of the process. Lastly, they have added health and safety points to their page. You will need to consider all health and safety aspects of the process and materials you intend on using in your work. Describe any health and safety issues you may face and add notes explaining how you will work safely, avoiding potential risk.